Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love the Roku voice remote with TV controls. Reason number 1, it has voice search. So if we press this button right here, there's a microphone. You can speak into it and tell it what you want to listen to, and you can turn captions on and off with it. Also, it has these presets. So all I got to do is pick up the remote and press one of these buttons and go right to that. The next one is it controls the TV. I can turn the TV volume up and down, and I can mute it. Now we do have a tag back on here. Now we don't want to pull that out until we're ready to set up the remote. There's 2 ways of setting up the remote. One is leave the tab in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The other one is I'll show you also. So it does have a power button that you can turn the TV on and off with, the home button, back button. This is like the cursor and the OK, skip back. There's the voice search, play, reverse, and again, TV controls volume and mute. Okay, one way is to find the power cord for your TV and unplug it. Okay, I've got it unplugged. Now I'm going to plug it back in. Now it says when your device powers on, and you see the home screen. Okay, so TVs usually have a power button that you can press right here. Now we're going to come down, and now we're going to pull out that. That's going to activate the remote. And now my TV screen went right to pairing. So again, unplugged it, plugged it back in, find the power button that's on the TV, turn the TV on, pull that out, and now my remote works. It is that simple. Wow. Okay, so once, say you have another remote and you just want to replace it. So you could find your old remote, hit the home button. You're going to want to go to settings. Scroll down to remotes, hit enter, add a device. But you can see I've got the voice remote connected. So I would go over, I could add another remote. Yeah, just hit the down arrow, add a remote. Okay, now let's use that voice. Now you have to press and hold it and speak right into that. Play some comedies. Then I let go of the button when I was done speaking. It says it's thinking. Now here's some comedies that I can play. Now you can even tell it a certain movie and it'll go right to it. So watch this. Play Band of Brothers. And it's going to go right to Netflix and actually start that movie. And I can use it for closed captionings. Turn captions off. Turn captions on. Turn captions on. So there, it turns the captions on. Okay, so you will have to change the batteries once in a while. You're going to open it up. It takes 2 AAA batteries. You can see there's no buttons back here or anything. You're just going to put both triple batteries in the same. The negative goes down, the positive goes up on both of them. And then just slide it in. Now, if you already pulled that thing out the first time, you can hold the back arrow and the home button until that little light flashes right there. So you can hold both of those, put it in pairing mode, then that little light's going to flash, and then you can pair it with your TV. And some of the other commands are like skip 30 seconds, so that's nice. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.